testing 7 Amazon ear cleaners. Do they really work? Yo, what's up everybody? It's back again with another video, and today we're diving deep, literally into the world of ear cleaning. We've all been there. That waxy build-up, that muffled sound, that feeling like your ears need a serious refresh. We're talking everything from high-tech gadgets with spinning brushes to good old-fashioned stainless steel tools, even some stuff I've never even seen before. We're putting them all to the test so you don't have to. All right, let's get cleaning. All right, first up, we're starting with this electric ear cleaner. This thing looks like it came straight out of a sci-fi movie, kind of like a mini vacuum cleaner for your ears. It's got this soft, rotating silicone tip that's supposed to gently remove earwax without pushing it further down the ear canal. That's a big plus in my book because, let's be honest, the last thing you want is to pack that wax in even tighter. Okay, so the instructions say to insert it gently and turn it on. I can definitely feel it spinning, kind of ticklish actually. Not painful at all, which is a good sign. The real question is it actually removing any wax? Let's take a look at the tip. Whoa, okay, that's something. It's definitely picked up some wax, not gonna lie. Overall, I'd say this electric ear cleaner is a decent option if you're looking for a gentle, techie way to remove earwax. Next up, we're going old school with this set of stainless steel ear picks. These have been around forever and for a good reason. They're simple, effective and built to last. They come in all sorts of different shapes and sizes, each designed to target different areas of the ear. Now, I'll be honest, I'm a little hesitant to use these. I've always heard horror stories about people puncturing their eardrums with these things. But hey, for the sake of science and clean ears, I'm willing to give it a shot. The key here is to be super careful and gentle. You're not trying to excavate your ear canal, just gently scoop out any excess wax. Okay, so it's definitely a different sensation than the electric cleaner. I can feel the metal against my skin, which is a little weird, but I will say it's surprisingly effective. If you're not comfortable using these, I'd recommend sticking to a safer option. Now this next one is intriguing. It's an ear cleaner with a chamber, and it claims to use suction to remove earwax. You basically stick this tube in your ear, pump it a few times, and it's supposed to suck all the gunk out. Sounds a little too good to be true, right? I'm a little skeptical about this one, but I'm also kind of curious to see if it actually works. The instructions say to hold it at a specific angle and not to pump it too many times, so I'm going to be extra cautious with this one. Okay, here goes. I'm inserting the tube, making sure it's snug but not too tight. Now I'm going to pump it slowly. Whoa! I definitely felt something. Let's see if it actually collected anything in the chamber. Oh wow, there's definitely something in there. I feel like this method is effective in a way, but it's also a bit messy. All right, moving on to a more traditional method, ear irrigation. This is basically just a fancy way of saying ear syringing, a method that has been used for many years. You fill this bulb syringe with warm water, gently squirt it into your ear canal, and the water flushes out the earwax. It's a simple yet effective process. This method has been around for ages and is generally considered safe and effective. Many people have relied on it for ear cleaning over the years. However, it can be a little messy, so I've laid down some towels just in case. It's always better to be prepared for any spills. First things first, I need to make sure the water is at the right temperature, not too hot, not too cold. The right temperature is crucial for comfort and effectiveness. Now I'm going to tilt my head to the side and gently insert the tip of the syringe into my ear canal. It's important to be gentle to avoid any discomfort. Here we go. I'm slowly squeezing the bulb, letting the warm water flow into my ear. The sensation is quite unique. It feels kind of weird, like my ear is underwater, but it doesn't hurt at all. In fact, it can be quite soothing. Now I'm going to tilt my head the other way to let the water drain out. This part is crucial to ensure all the water and earwax come out. Wow, that's interesting. The water that came out is definitely not clear. It shows how much earwax was actually in there. It looks like it flushed out a good amount of earwax. The results are quite satisfying to see. I can definitely hear a difference in that ear now. It feels much clearer. The improvement in hearing is noticeable. Overall, I'd say ear irrigation is a solid option for removing earwax. It's effective and relatively easy to do at home. Just be prepared for a little bit of mess. Having towels on hand can make the cleanup process much easier. Now, let's talk about these reusable silicone swabs. They've become increasingly popular as a more sustainable alternative to traditional cotton swabs. Plus, they're designed with a little scoop at the end, which supposedly helps to remove earwax more effectively without pushing it further down the ear canal. I'm all for eco-friendly alternatives, especially when it comes to something I use as often as cotton swabs. The silicone tip is much softer than I expected. It feels almost like a gentle massage on my ear. Now, let's see how well it actually cleans. The scoop design is actually really clever. It feels like it's gently scooping out the earwax without pushing it further in. After a few swipes, I'm taking a look at the tip, and I'm actually impressed. It's picked up a decent amount of earwax. Plus, I love the fact that I can just rinse this off and use it again. We're now moving on to liquid ear cleaning solutions, which are quite popular for their ease of use and effectiveness. These solutions typically contain ingredients like hydrogen peroxide or carbamide peroxide, which are designed to soften and break down earwax, making it easier to remove. You simply tilt your head, apply a few drops into your ear canal, let it sit for a few minutes, and then drain it out. It's a straightforward process that doesn't require much effort. I've used these types of solutions before, and they can be pretty effective in clearing out earwax buildup. However, they can also be a little messy and sometimes leave your ear feeling a bit clogged up afterward, which can be slightly uncomfortable. Alright, so this particular solution contains hydrogen peroxide, which is known for its bubbling action that helps to break down earwax. It's supposed to help loosen up the earwax, making it easier to remove when you drain the solution out. I'm going to tilt my head to the side and apply the recommended number of drops into my ear canal as instructed on the bottle. Ooh, I can definitely feel it bubbling. It's kind of a weird sensation, but not painful or anything. It feels like tiny bubbles are working their way through the earwax. Now I'm going to tilt my head the other way and let the solution drain out, allowing gravity to do its job. I'm using a tissue to catch any excess liquid that might drip out, ensuring that my ear stays clean and dry. It definitely feels like it loosened up some earwax. My ear feels clearer, and I can hear a bit better now. Last but not least, we have this multifunctional ear cleaning kit. This bad boy has it all. A spray bottle, ear picks in various shapes and sizes, silicone ear spoons, and even a carrying case. It's designed to be your one-stop solution for ear hygiene. It's like the Swiss Army knife of ear cleaning, offering a tool for every possible need. This kit definitely seems like it's trying to cover all the bases, which is both appealing and a little overwhelming. With so many tools, it can be hard to know where to start. On the one hand, it's great to have options. You can tailor your ear cleaning routine to exactly what you need. On the other hand, I'm not sure I need this many tools dedicated to cleaning my ears. Sometimes simplicity is key. Let's start with the spray bottle. It's filled with a saline solution which is supposed to help soften earwax before using the other tools. This step is crucial for making the rest of the process easier. I'm giving it a few spritzes in each ear. It feels refreshing, like a mini spa treatment for my ear canals. The cool mist is quite soothing. Now, onto the ear picks. These are the real workhorses of the kit. This kit comes with a variety of metal and silicone picks. Each type has its own unique purpose. The silicone ones in particular are great for scooping out softened earwax. They are gentle yet effective. Overall, this multifunctional kit is a solid option if you're looking for a comprehensive solution. It covers all the bases and then some. However, it is a bit on the pricier side, and you can definitely get away with using fewer tools. If you're on a budget, you might want to consider more minimalist options. So, there you have it, folks. Our deep dive into the world of Amazon ear cleaners. We've seen it all, the good, the bad, and the downright messy. But hopefully, this video has given you a better understanding of the different options available and which ones might be right for you. If you're experiencing any pain, discomfort, or hearing loss, it's always best to consult with a medical professional. If you enjoyed this ear cleaning extravaganza, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more healthy secrets. Thanks for watching, and as always, stay healthy and keep those ears clean. Until next time.